Today I'm making a banana ice cream. This ice cream, it has 5 ingredients and it does not take that long. And when you eat it, you're really going to enjoy it and you're not going to feel guilty. How about that? What I did, I took 2 bananas, I left them out for 2 days. They got nice and yellow and freckled, so when they were ripe, then I peeled them off, I put them in a tray, I put them in a freezer for 1 day. The next day, I took out the bananas from the freezer, I cut them up to small pieces, I put them in the blender, then I add 4 ounces of vanilla yogurt, 4 ounces of cottage cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I did put 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Personally, I don't like things that sweet, so I felt like 1 tablespoon of maple syrup would have been perfect. I gave it a nice blend. Then I put it in a flat tray. That way the ice cream is not that thick. So it got frozen in 1 hour and 15 minutes. I took it out of the freezer. I let it out for 3 minutes so like the ice in the top kind of melt. Then I gave it a nice mix and it got really nice and creamy. It tasted so good. If you like banana ice cream, this is the ice cream you want to have. You're going to enjoy it very much and your body's going to love it. You got to feel good and look good. Good energy every day. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.